Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today I have an unboxing from Yarnable. This is my July unboxing and let's open it and see what we've got inside, shall we? Need my scissors as always. There we go, I'm dead excited. And as always, we get our yarn in a little pouch. And we've got a little bag. A little organza bag. Wow. What's this? Yarnable bag. Ooh. Due up to box shortages arising. Oh, they're going to be sending our Yarnables in a bag, and it says life's a picnic, and there's a recipe. P is for picnic, so I've got a recipe, and I've got picnic basket. It's brought to you by Family Recipes, Backyard Barbecues and Happy Taste Buds. Bamboo cutlery set designed for Yarnable, gingham napkin set, recipe card for what's for dinner, club by Lydia. Ooh. So let's see what. So I've got some really nice napkins. Gingham. Oh, I've got 2 napkins. Aren't they nice? Really nice, those. Just nice for Rick and I when we go on our little excursions. Very nice. So I've got 2 of them. And then it says it's a good day for a good day. Ooh, let's see. So we've got some cutlery this time. Oh, look. Got some bamboo knife, fork and spoon. There we go. So let's see what the yarn is. I'm excited to see that. Let's see what we've got in the yarn, shall we? Oh my lord, it looks like strawberries. Look at that. Look at all the different tones of red. And it's a sock yarn. Oh, that'd be nice as a Christmas sock, wouldn't it, guys? It's picnic baskets, obviously. It's called picnic basket. It's 85% superwash merino, 50% nylon, 437 yards. It's by Hypnotic Yarns, which of course is Yarnable. And oh, it's nice and squishy and soft. Look at that, isn't that lovely? I think they'd be really nice at Christmas time. What do you think, guys? Really nice, hasn't it? It's so squishy. Oh, it smells nice too. So that, guys, is my subscription for from Yarnable for July. So it is called Picnic set, I think. What was it say? What is it? Yes, P is for picnic, and the what's the it's black-eyed peas. Oh, it's a recipe. I'm not sure what the recipe is. Life's a picnic. So I'm really happy with this month's, and those napkins and cutlery will come in very handy for when Rick and I go off on our little days out and that. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.